All right, and this very important question is... What was the first song ever played on BBC Radio 1 on the 30th of September in 1967?
It was Flowers in the Rain by Tony Blackburn.
What? You got that absolutely correct, but we're going to super slime you anyway! That was the answer, you got it correct!
You got it correct?
You got it correct!
What was the
Flowers in the
artist?
Rain by Maroon!
By Maroon, which is incorrect. That's not what you... So close. But I'm afraid that's it. Any words?
Ooh.
Okay. Well, let's find out what's happening next week on Saturday Mashup. That's the end of our first show.
Oh, but I want more.
Don't you worry, Shereen. Mashup will be back next Saturday live at 9 a.m.
And he's here for one more time. It's the winner of Britain's Got Talent, Vigo Ben.
I hope he's got his IVs on. We'll never see him. Plus, we're going back in time with Jessica Ransom and Ethan Lawrence, two of the stars of Horrible Histories.
Yeah, leave the singing to me, Joe. Oh, and something else that you can leave to me is winning the first game of Joe versus Shereen. Want to know what the challenge is?
Yes, I do.
Joe, you were literally there when we filmed it.
Oh, yeah.
Find out what's in store next week.
Plus, there's even more new and exclusive Grizzy and the Lemons.
And if you want to be part of the programme or to see clips from the show, check out the mashup pages of the CBBC website.
That Sam got the song right, but the artist incorrect. Not Tony Blackburn, Maroon. Right, let's call the winner. In fact, before we do that, Yvonne, we asked you a question. What was it?
Taylor Swift released a new version of which of her albums this week?
What's the answer?
Speak now!
Well then, what's the answer? No, let's begin. Well done if you got that right, because we could be calling you live right now. Vicky, you've got to pick and type and pick and type.
I don't know how to work a phone.
This could be you.
Hello, is that Clementine from Hertfordshire?
Hello.
Hello, you are live on Saturday Mashup and you have just won all of these incredible goodies. Clementine, how are you feeling right now?
Great.
Feeling great. Well, listen,
you
thank
are.
you so much for tuning in to Saturday Mashup and enjoy.
Thank you, Clementine. You got 2 phone voices. And thank you very much to our Mashup mob who are so loud. Thank you. And thank you to Stanley on the move. Thank you to Stan the man.
Yeah, bye.
Thank you, Stan. And of course, thank you to Magician Killian. Thank you to Radio 1's Danny. Thank you, Danny. She's nice and dry. She's nice and dry. And finally, thank you to our slimy who's perfectly fine, Sam. Thanks.
And there's another version of it. Sorry, there's another chance to see Blue Peter up next, so stay tuned.
Yes, we will both see you next week, 9 a.m. on CBC and 9 If you want more Mashup mayhem to carry you through the week, head to our website, where you can enjoy clips and games, catch up with your fellow fans, and watch the show all over again on iPlayer.
Saturday Mashup.